I'm Ted Selker, and I run the Considerate Systems Research Group, where we work on making considerate interactions as part of the way that computers interact with people. And so interfaces have always been about making things more efficient and making things simpler for people, but more recently we've even made it simpler yet by adding context. And in all of my research on context-aware computing, I discovered that basically when things responded in a social way, people could respond, and when they didn't, it was much more difficult. So with that, armed with those successes, I started thinking specifically about supervisors that would create a social layer, a social response to everything. And today with me is Rahul Rajan, who has been working on an audio supervisor that I think is very exciting.
So we built an audio mediating system, a research platform to experiment with the ideas that Ted just described. One of the things we did was have an agent interject a meeting and see if it could positively affect the meeting and the performance of the people. So one of the things we tested was if the agent could detect dominance versus dormancy. And surprisingly enough, the agent was able to positively affect the meeting. But in the process, we also found that there are a number of ways we can do this wrong, where an agent can be inconsiderate because audio is such a constricted domain. We also tried to detect loud background noises and have the agent inform the participant that there was loud background noise on the channel, and we contrasted this with when other participants informed this participant that there was loud background noise. And again, we were able to show that having an agent that understands how to interject with some level of social intelligence is more successful than just continuously interjecting the channel. Here we're working on improving voting machine technology. One of the main problems with current audio systems is navigation. It's very linear, so we try to solve that problem using the up-down arrow keys to control the contest, like this, and the left and right arrow keys to control the candidates. So if you're in a particular contest and you want to move to another context, you just have to hit the up or down arrow key, and that moves you out. Something else we've been trying to work on is improving the audio transitions. So currently you have to listen to the whole stream of audio. So we've been working on trying to make that transition smoother.
Vice President of the Governor.
So you see how it, when you hit the next button, the previous one fades and the next one fades in. So
President of Vice President of the United States.